Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with IRS Free File for tax-friendly setup, easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. To begin, visit the official IRS Free File website. Ensure you have a reliable internet connection. On the home page, locate the Free File software section. Select Use Free File to proceed. Next, you'll find a list of participating tax software providers. Review the options available to find one that suits your needs. Click on the link for your chosen provider to be redirected to their site. Create an account with the selected tax software. Fill in your personal information as prompted, including your name and address. Provide your social security number or individual tax identification number. Enter your income details accurately. If applicable, input any information regarding dependents. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your federal tax return. Make sure to double-check all entries for accuracy. Once everything is confirmed, proceed to file your tax return electronically. Choose your method of payment if you owe taxes. Alternatively, opt for direct deposit if you are expecting a refund. Finally, follow up with the IRS after your return is submitted. Keep a copy of your submission confirmation for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.